Well, it has been a beautiful afternoon across the Upper Peninsula, almost summer-like across the region as we have had highs back into the 70s and a very sunny very sunny day for us. But we're going to notice this wave of storms and showers beginning to move in as we head into the overnight, and we will see heavy downpours at times, but also we could see some severe activity as you make your way from US 2 on southward. If you seem to be north of that line, you look to be okay in terms of the severe activity for tonight, but all of us should begin to get in on the shower activity, and we could even see some possible hailstones from time to time. 77 degrees for our current temperature, mostly sunny for right now. Southwest winds at 16 miles per hour. But let's go ahead and talk about temperatures as they are warm across the region. 77 for us in Marquette, and on westward, temperatures not really too worse for us either, as we're mostly in the 70s at 77 in Marquette, again at 78 in Ontonagon, 76 in Ironwood, farther south in the region, 77 in Crystal Falls, 78 in Lawrence, and for us off here into the east, we are at 72 in Munising, 72 in Escanaba, and at 77 in Ishpeming. Winds coming in from the southwest that has brought in that warmer air mass and also a little more of that humidity, anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour. A little more breezy for us here into Marquette at 17, 12 in Munising, and at 15 on the dot in Houghton. And for us across the entire state, temperatures are beginning to rebound in front of our next disturbance that is going to be bringing us a chance of showers and severe possibilities as we make our way over the next 24 hours. 75 in Escanaba, 78 in Gaylord, and 83 down in Flint. Let's go ahead and talk about the headlines though for tonight, as we'll be expecting the showers to roll on in and the storms. And once again, like I told you, we'll be looking out for those stronger storms to be anywhere between US South or US 2 and on southward, or if you're along the US 2 the highway, we'll be expecting those showers to make their way through, and possibly severe even on Thursday, and that will be our better chances of seeing severe activity throughout the entire day and throughout the entire viewing area, as the cold front will sweep through and really give an extra oomph to this atmosphere and really provide those extra conditions that we need for the severe possibilities to happen. And what we will be looking out for are torrential downpours, very gusty winds, and also possibility of hail coming in, some large hail at that too. Huge cool down though after the front does make its way on eastward, and we'll be seeing temperatures dropping off into the upper 50s and the lower 60s by Friday, and Saturday looks to be a cooler day for us as well. But as we take a look at our setup, we do have this area of low pressure starting to make its way in, pretty powerful, and behind it a cool push of air, very cooler air behind that, and we'll see that the storms will be out in front of it that we will see tonight. And for tomorrow, we'll have another wave make its way through late afternoon going into the early evening on Thursday, before a lot of that will push out of here by tomorrow night. Let's go ahead and take a look at our futurecast model as we do have this system making its way through. There go the storms that will be impacting us in the southern portions of our viewing area, and then once that pushes through, the cold front will bring in another wave of storms by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So make sure to have the umbrellas ready, and also make sure to keep an eye on the radar. For tonight, we'll be at 60 degrees as the showers and storms make their way in. South winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For Thursday, strong storms and heavy rain at times. South winds at 10 to 20, so a little breezy out there, with highs back into the upper 70s and the lower 80s at 82 in Crystal Falls, 77 in Lawrence, 75 in Ontonagon, and at 80 degrees in Munising. 4-hour, 7-day forecast. After the very heavy rainfall on Thursday, a slight chance of an early shower on Friday, with temperatures much cooler in the lower 60s, lows back in the upper 40s by Saturday morning, and we don't really look to warm up that much as we'll be in the 60s all the way through next Wednesday.